we build the best training environments for technology-driven students. That starts by building a refreshing training spaces which are lively, collaborative and encourages innovation.
Digital Lync provides an environment where people can constantly push their limits and strive for their best.
Digital Lync has a clear objective of helping students, and it reflects in everything we do, including the workplace.
Digital Lync is a really fun place to work, and we provide that quality of education which makes them stand out in the competition.
Digital Lync is a technological hub which delivers or which deals with the latest and cutting edge technologies at a very high standard.
This place has given me a break, makes me feel like home.
We work, play and contribute to the technology at Digital Lync.
We at Digital Lync provide innovative courses like AWS, DevOps, data sciences, big data and a lot of other stuff. And we also make sure that we collaborate all the innovative technologies so that the students who come here ready to face the real world.
Digital Lync is bold and colorful. I'm always happy here because of all the colors we have in here. We have freedom to explore our thoughts and create an idea. And this idea may be the beginning of a great product.
Digital Lync,
Innovation,
Incubation,
Collaboration,
Creative.
Learning,
platform
open environment.
full of ideas.
Cool.
Technology Center.
I'm proud to be a part of Digital Lync.